Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create two timeline actions with SmartEngage. First is how to add registrants or people to sequence and how to remove them from sequence. So to start, let's open the timeline we want to create the timeline actions for. Once that timeline is open from this page, you just have to click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. We'll be doing it or we will be creating the action on the event day, but I'll be setting it an hour before the webinar starts. And then I'll be selecting registrants for the targets. And from here, let's look for Smart Engage. And again, the action that we will be creating is add to sequence. So let's select that and let's select a sequence we want registrants to be added to. And once you are satisfied with everything, just click on create at the bottom. So we have successfully added the action. The next action that we will be creating is to remove registrants or other audiences from sequence. So again, just click on create action from the upper right. We'll be doing it on the same day, event day, but this time I'll be setting it to an hour after the webinar. And this one, I'll be selecting non-attendees. Again, let's look for Smart Engage and let's select Remove from Sequence. And let's select the sequence we want non-attendees to be removed from an hour after the webinar. So once you're satisfied, again, just click on Create at the bottom. And there you have it. We have successfully created two timeline actions with Smart Engage. We have created an action to add them to a sequence, and we have created an action to remove non-attendees from a sequence. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.